Now, I'm not going to suggest that you use something as beautiful as this Ylang Ylang essential oil, because it takes a lot of flowers to make even this small amount of 500 grams, as Agnès, our next studio guest, is going to tell us. Hi Agnès.
Hello.
So I want to hear all about your trip to the Comoros.
Well, we visited the Comore Islands in March this year. The Comores, just to set the scene, are a group of 4 islands off the coast of Africa, north of Madagascar. The islands were a French department up to 20 years ago. Since then, one of the islands is still French, the other 3 have had their independence. Unfortunately, it has complicated things for them. The revenue they used to get has very much decreased, and pretty much the only thing that is produced, especially in Anjouan, which is one of the smallest islands, is the Ylang Ylang oil.
So is the Ylang Ylang is made on the 4 islands or distilled on the 4 islands?
Some of it is produced on the other 3, but the main one is Anjouan. You don't have beautiful big factories of distilling oil. All you have are 400 bush stills.
Yeah.
So very much amongst the trees, by rivers, fired with wood, and whole communities actually take part into the distillation. So you have sort of, you know, mothers and children collecting flowers locally. It takes 200 kilos of actual flowers to distill this amount of extra. The extra, out of a whole sort of distillating lot, you would get 500 grams of the Ylang extra, which we use.
Oh, great. Wow. So that makes it very precious, actually.
It's very precious. People are very involved in the whole process. It's obviously something that, you know, has been going on for the last couple of centuries. The Comores produce 90% of the worldwide production of Ylang.
And so we're buying that directly then from the people that are making the Ylang Ylang oil.
Yes.
So we're helping to support that community.
Yes.
As well.
And really we need to, because it is pretty much the only industry which they have.
So how long through the year does the Ylang Ylang last?
It lasts all year. They can actually distill all year. Yes.
The trees flower all year.
The trees flower all year.
Oh, wow.
On one tree, you can find immature flowers and mature flowers.
Yeah.
So there is a constant cycle, which means you can pick every day. You can distill every day.
So they pick the mature ones.
They pick the mature ones. They recognize the mature ones by the fact that the sort of yellowy green flower actually develops a red corolla right in the middle. So they just go around, have a look at the flowers, and recognize the mature ones and pick those.
Oh, it sounds lovely. Not even was it a fun place to go, but it smelled good too, absolutely. Even though you had to walk everywhere in your high heels. And yes, thanks for coming in and telling us about that.